And once again, reminding everybody that you guys are controlling this from over 100 million miles away here on Earth. I always try to wrap my head around that.
Absolutely. It is so far away, and it's miraculous to even think that this is something that's technically already been executed earlier today. We're just kind of standing by and waiting for that data to arrive to indicate, success.
Well, we are going to have minimal commentary during this time as we're going to let you enjoy this experience with the team as they go through all the data to see how Ingenuity did. So let's head to the helicopter control room.
This is downlink. Data products appear to be in. We will begin processing shortly. This is downlink. We are beginning to fetch data from Mars 2020. This is downlink. We have pulled in data products from Mars 2020. This is downlink, confirming we received Mars 2020 telemetry, confirming that we received Mars 2020 events, confirming that we received helicopter data products, confirming that we have data products, confirming that we unpacked image and 1 Hertz data. This is downlink. We have successfully ingested 1 Hz data. Confirming that we have helicopter data products, helicopter telemetry, helicopter events. Confirming helicopter file listing. Confirming expected boot counts. This is downlink, confirming battery data has been received.
Battery data looks healthy.
Rotor motors appear healthy. Swash plate servos appear healthy. Overall actuators appear healthy.
Confirming thermal report generation. Confirming analog report generation. Confirming telecom report generation. This is downlink, handing off to flight control for telemetry analysis.
This is flight control, confirming that we have EVRs from Ingenuity. Ingenuity is reporting having performed spin-up, takeoff, climb, hover, descent, landing, touchdown, and spin down. And altimeter data confirms that Ingenuity has performed its first flight, the first flight of a powered aircraft to another planet.
The Martian surface.
Taryn, go ahead and repeat that.
So the image we're looking at on the screen is the image from our onboard navigation camera showing us hovering above the surface of Mars. How incredible!
And that's its shadow, right, Taryn?
Yes, that's its shadow. So the onboard navigation camera points straight down, so we're seeing its shadow right now.
I can just hear Mimi in the background. This is real. This is real. It's so amazing.
Yeah, everyone's really feeling it now. So we're gonna wait for the Perseverance rover image of us. Are you guys seeing the Perseverance image?
Saw that, Taryn. So yes, explain what we just saw with the Perseverance image.
So the Perseverance image is showing us grounded at first. It's actually a video, which is great. It's grounded at first and then shows us hovering our 3 meters above the Martian surface and then touching back down. It's amazing, brilliant. Everyone is super excited.
So I would say it's a success. I would say.
I got to tear up the contingency speech, which I never practiced, but I was going to read. But lucky for you, I have a much shorter speech for success. So, we can now say that human beings have flown a rotorcraft on another planet. So we've been talking so long about our Wright brothers moment on Mars. And here it is. And this project has had many friends who contributed to tonight's success. I see many in the room. The team in the room, the team on WebEx, team members who couldn't join us, and a few of our friends who are no longer with us. They're still in our minds today. And Perseverance rover, the best host little Ingenuity could ever work with. You know, history doesn't, we don't know from history what Orville and Wilbur did after their first successful flight, the Wright brothers, but I imagine the two brothers hug each other. Well, you know I'm hugging you virtually, and you guys haven't been with me for 4, 5, 6 years. If it weren't for COVID-19, you guys don't have a chance of me. So this is all I can do. I'm giving you the hugs. Look, we together flew at Mars, and we together now have our Wright brothers moment. So, you know, history does tell us that soon after that first flight, Wilbur and Orville did go right back to work. They flew 3 more flights that day, higher and further than the first ones. So we know, you know, like the Wright brothers at Kitty Hawk, we know that our time to make a difference at Jezero Crater, Mars is not yet over. This is just the first great flight. So let's enjoy this moment. But we must enjoy this moment because over the years, and there are a few of you especially, but there's some that have never let me celebrate fully. Every time we hit one of these major milestones, not yet, not yet. We'll keep moving on. So we must take a moment to celebrate this moment. Really important. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. Take that moment, and then after that, let's get back to work and more flights. Congratulations.